In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website by editing the header on your Squarespace page. Whether you're looking to make your website more user-friendly or want to explore some stylish options for your header, this guide will help you go through every step smoothly. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to make changes to your header. Taking the time to understand where you want these changes to take effect is crucial, as each page might have unique design elements you'll want to preserve. Once you've reached your desired page, you'll want to direct your attention to the header area. Hover your mouse cursor over this area to reveal the Edit Site Header option. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself on the verge of making some exciting changes. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with various settings to adjust your header. To start modifying, click on the Edit option. After this, head straight to the Design tab, where most of the magic happens. As you delve into the Design tab, scroll down until you see the Fixed Position option. This feature is essential if you want your header to behave consistently while visitors browse your site. To activate this, simply toggle the button, switching it to the On position. This will allow you to select how your header behaves as users scroll through your content. Now, it's time to choose a header style that best fits your brand or the feel you want your site to convey. Squarespace offers you a couple of elegant choices. If you go for the basic header style, the header will remain at the top of the page, ensuring it's always visible regardless of how far down the page your visitors scroll. This is great for easy navigation and maintaining a professional look. On the other hand, if you select the scroll back option, the header will initially hide as you scroll down, but will reappear magically as soon as you begin to scroll back up. This can provide a cleaner viewing experience and keep the focus on your content. Satisfied with your selections? It's time to click Save to apply the changes. By doing this, you ensure that your adjustments are not only activated, but also preserved, seamlessly integrating with the rest of your site design. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Squarespace site header, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Remember, these small changes can significantly impact user experience, ensuring your site looks polished and navigates effortlessly. Feel free to explore and experiment with these settings to discover what works best for your site's needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!